Raven Chanel here. So right now I'm headed back to home. Just landed.
Hey guys, Raven Chanel here. So today I'm gonna do my skincare routine, which isn't all that great, but it gets the job done. So I'm gonna be using about 4 or 5 products and we'll see. So first I'm gonna start by taking these clips and clipping my hair back so I get my hair wet because I'm about to go get it braided, and it does not need to be wet because I took my time to blow dry it out. One. Go. One more. One more. Okay. Good enough. Okay. Next, I'm gonna wash my hands because I have oils in my hair, and you don't want that getting on your face. So take this soap right here. Rub it on my hand. And wash them. As you can see, I've been like breaking out recently, but that's all because of something else, you know, that time of the month. Okay, so the first product I'm gonna use is this Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Scrub. And before I put that on, I'm going to wet my face, so I'll be back. So as you all can see, my face is slightly wet. It's not like soaking, but enough to make the scrub work. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this product. Sorry, my allergies have been acting up. Yeah, that's enough for now. And rub your hands together. Apply to both sides of the face. You really get in where you know your face is not acne free. Oh, really get in there. And this morning scrub stuff really like wakes you up. I don't know what's in it, but like it makes your skin feel fresh and like rejuvenated. So gonna keep rubbing this in, and then we're gonna get all the product off your hands. And be careful to avoid your eyes because this stuff does burn. Trust me, it has gotten in my eyes and it's not okay. So now I'm gonna wash this off my hands. You can see the little orange things. The orange like exfoliating stuff. And then I'm gonna also mix this other exfoliating scrub because it's exfoliating day, and you shouldn't exfoliate every day, maybe twice or 3 times a week, but I'm gonna use this e.l.f. exfoliating scrub as well. Since my face is already wet, it shouldn't really matter to wet it again. Okay. This stuff is like brown. Excuse me, sorry guys. And I'm just gonna again apply it to both hands so it can get on both sides of my face. And this is a little thicker than the Clean & Clear, but it also again gets the job done. So also again, avoid your eyes. This burns as well. Okay, take a little bit and put it there. You can also exfoliate your nose. I tend to. Yeah. So I can get that in that area that you saw was broken out earlier, and I'm gonna fix that. So let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna wet my hands a little bit so I can get more soapy areas. I'm trying to get my skin back to what it looked like when I was in New York, which I'm going to insert a picture here. So when you're using facial cleansers or whatever, it normally tells you to rinse and pat dry. So what I normally do is I soak a rag in with hot water, and I put it on my face and compress until all the product is gone. So that's what we're gonna do. Make sure the water is nice and hot so your pores can open up and all the product can get inside. The last product you use, you want to use cold water so that your pores then close. Okay, so as you can see, my towel is nice and wet. Maybe a little bit too much. So then feels so good, relaxing. So you get around those eyes, chin area. Get it out the hairline. Ooh, that feels amazing. Get out your eyebrows. I need eyebrows done. But yeah, that really should do the job. Then after exfoliating, then I go on to actually clean my face with this Clearasil Rapid Action Daily Face Wash. I use this every day. I do not exfoliate every day, so don't do that. Because your skin will end up dried out and not looking the best. So this stuff is white. Yeah. Again, both hands. Face should still be wet from wiping out the exfoliating products. So, yep. Okay. Let's use this. Again, getting in those areas that I know are broken out, because Who likes breakouts? Those aren't cute. Also preparing to go out of town. I leave tomorrow at like 6 in the morning. It's a college road trip with my church to go see, or we're going to Louisiana to see Southern University, Xavier, Grambling, and Dillard. Yeah, so be looking out for those vlogs coming up. Oops, now I got hair on my face, which everyone loves that. Okay, cool. Oops, not cool. Okay, got it. And you want to let this sit on your face for like a minute or two. So I'll come back after I wash this off and show you what I use to let sit on my face. Actually, I might do a face mask and then do the final step. So I'll be back probably when I apply the face mask. Okay, so now that my face is all cleaned up, I'm going to apply a face mask. Oops, still got a little product. Okay, now that, so I'm using this Penguin face mask and we'll see what it looks like, but I have never used this before, but hopefully my skin feels good afterwards. So first step is to thoroughly cleanse and dry face, which is already done. Open the packet and take out and unfold the mask. So let's do that. Okay. It looks like this when you take it out. And then I'm supposed to unfold it. And then, so there's my penguin. Yeah. So then it says, apply the mask on face, smooth the mask gently to ensure good contact with skin. Oops, camera's falling. Okay, there we go. So put this on. Okay, so now that it smooths out, I have to leave it on for 15 or 10 to 20 minutes. So I'll be back. So it has been 15 minutes and I have to take this off. And yeah, so let's start here. It's already up, lifted. And my skin does feel like hella moisturized and stuff, so it's a good face mask. I'm gonna put it back in here. And it says, tap lightly to absorb the remaining essence into your skin. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to use my last product. So this is to tap it into my skin. then I'm going to remove the rest with my same cloth. So whatever didn't get in there, it's just okay. So since this is the last product that I'm using, I'm going to use cold water so that my pores close and that this last product will just sit on top of my face. So cold water. Hopefully this clears up. Hopefully this clears up soon, because I can't be looking busted in Louisiana. Okay, so same method, get all that product out. Okay, I still feel it some places, so I'm trying to dab it out of there before I use this last product. And then, fold that up, get rid of that. And the last thing that I use is this, oops, it's kind of wet. Yeah, this Clearasil Gentle Prevention Daily Clean Pad, which you should immediately start with like one a day, like using it once a day. But ultimately you want to use it 2 or 3 times a day, and this is the product. Okay. So when you open it, the little pads look like this. Like, basically look like makeup pads or makeup remover pads. So I usually use 2. One for each side of my face. Let's get the 2 out. Okay, so I have my 2 pads. So normally I just start here, and it does slightly burn because your face is kind of raw at this point, but it feels great after after a second of burning. Okay, so I come up here. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my second one. I think I'll just see. Okay. Okay. And then once you've done all these steps, then I like to apply some type of lip moisturizer because your face is kind of dried out at this point, especially your lips because all the water has been going to. So I like to use my little Vaseline creme brulee flavored thing. Just apply a little bit so that lips don't start to crack, which I hate dry lips, so. And unclip that hair. And boom, done. So my face feels very refreshed and, you know, just clean. And I do this every day. I don't exfoliate every day, and you shouldn't, which I said earlier. But just to repeat, do not exfoliate every day. And let's see. I think that's all. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you get a notification every time that I post. Be looking forward to my New Orleans vlog, or Louisiana. I'll be in New Orleans a little bit, but look forward to my Louisiana vlogs, and I will be back soon. So bye guys.
Setting sun approaches for